Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to stop copy trading on Bitget. First, navigate to your browser and search for Stop Copy Trading on Bitget. Then, click on the first website as shown on the screen. It'll show you the whole procedure. To stop copy trading on eToro, log into your eToro account. Now, click on the Portfolio section. Select the trader you want to stop copying. Here, click on Stop Copying button. After that, confirm your decision. By following these steps, you can easily disable copy trading for a specific trader on eToro. This will allow you to break the link between your account and the trader's account, giving you the freedom to make your own investment choices. Keep in mind that once you stop copying a trader, you will no longer automatically replicate their trades, so make sure you are ready to manage your portfolio on your own. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.